As the year 2021 comes to an end, it's time for some fun and games Japanese style. In today's video, we look at some interesting Japanese games, sports, and martial art.
Are you ready for the fun?
What is the traditional Japanese wrestling with gigantic wrestlers known as?
Sumo.
Sumo is Japan's national sport. The giant sumo wrestlers need to either push their opponents out of the ring or force any part of their body other than feet to hit the ground. Sumo is a very ritualistic sport with a lot of rituals related to Shintoism.
What does the name of Japanese martial art karate mean?
Empty hands.
Karate literally means empty hand and is a martial art that focuses on fighting without any weapons. Karate involves punching, kicking, elbow strikes and knee strikes and uses fast hand techniques.
Which Japanese martial art focuses on maximum efficient use of energy?
Judo.
Judo literally means the gentle way and is a Japanese martial art that focuses on two main principles. Seirokyo Zenryo, maximum efficient use of energy, Jita Kyoe, mutual welfare and benefit.
What is the name of traditional Japanese chess?
Shogi.
Shogi is the Japanese variant of chess originally inspired from the Indian game of Chaturanga. The one major striking difference from chess is that in Shogi, the pieces do not belong to any individual player but can be used by both the players.
What is the name of traditional Japanese badminton?
Hanetsuki.
Hanetsuki is a Japanese racket game similar to badminton. During the new year, it is customary for girls to play this game. It is believed that longer the players can keep the shuttlecock in the air, the greater protection they would get from mosquitoes in the coming year.
What is this Japanese traditional card game that is used as an educational exercise?
Karuta.
Karuta is a very popular card game in Japan which is also used as an education tool in Japanese schools. Usually the cards would be laid facing up and the kid who finds the card requested first wins. This helped kids with identification and remembrance skills.
What is this Japanese version of the cup and ball game known as?
Kendama.
Kendama is another Japanese skill toy. The idea is to throw the ball up in the air and catch with one of the two cups or spike in a kendama. This opens up multiple possibilities and patterns that can be perfected with practice. This toy helps kids work on their balancing and concentration skills.
What is the name of the Japanese martial arts of fighting with sticks?
Kendo.
Kendo literally means the way of the sword and is a martial art that mimics a sword fight. It is fought with bamboo sticks instead of swords.
What is the name of the Japanese sport of horse-mounted archery?
Yabusame.
Yabusame is a Japanese sport of horse-mounted archery. The riders need to target 3 wooden targets with 3 special turnip-headed arrows in this sport.
What of these Japanese sport is part of the Olympics?
Judo.
Judo and karate are part of the Olympics competition. Sumo, Aikido and Kendo are not in the Olympics competition yet. How many did you get right?
Remember, you get a bonus point each for liking and subscribing to this video. This is our last video of 2021. Thank you for your continued support by subscribing to our channel and liking our videos.
Happy New Year!